Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. Just finished doing a Ghost to Immobiliser on this BMW X6 2018. I'm just going to run through how you enter your push sequence button, also how to change the code, and also how you would put it in service mode. So we're using demonstration buttons at the moment, because naturally it's going to be changed when the customer picks the vehicle up. What you get with the Ghost once we've installed it is you'll get one of these manuals. You'll get a TASA emergency override card, Ghost 2 card, and you'll get a TASA card as well, and you get an installation certificate. So right, so we're going to try to start the car first of all. So first of all, foot on the brake. Won't start. So the Ghost 2 is immobilizing the vehicle. Now, how you would enter your code. So first of all, what you do is you get in the car, and on this particular car, what you do is just press the start button. So your dash lights are up now, and now it's ready to enter your push sequence. So we've got it as this paddle shift 4 times. So if I just enter that, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see the engine management light flicker twice. There we go. And now you can put your foot on the brake and the vehicle will start. There we go. Okay, as soon as you turn it off, after a few seconds, the Ghost 2 Immobiliser rearms itself. So if I try to start it again, won't start. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about how you change the pin configuration, or your push sequence we call it. So we're going to change it from this to -4 times for the demo of this video, or purpose of this video. You can use a variety of buttons on the steering wheel or somewhere else. You need to the push sequence should be a minimum of 4 presses and a maximum of 20. So let's show you how to change the code. So first of all, you put your dash lights on, no feet on the pedals, enter your current push sequence, which is this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see the engine management flicker twice. There we go. Now what you do is you put your foot on the accelerator, as you can see, and keep it held, and then you put your push sequence in again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll see the engine management light start flashing every 3 seconds. At this point, you can take your foot off the accelerator and this will continue to flash. So what it's doing is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser is now asking for the new push sequence. So we're going to press this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to see the engine management light flicker 3 times. 2, 3. That's your first confirmation, and then you're going to enter your new push sequence again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time you'll see the engine management light flicker twice, like so. Now you can put your foot on the brake and you can start the vehicle. Okay, so now we've just changed the push sequence from this paddle shift to this 4 times. So if I just turn the car off and turn it back on, and if I show you, we'll try this code, 1, 2, 3, 4, which was the old one. Nothing happens, it's not responding. So even if I try to start the car, it won't start, because we've changed the push sequence. So press start, enter the new push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see the engine management light flash twice, and now I can put my foot on the brake, and that's it. So we've changed the code. Now that's the second stage. Right, third one, for servicing. So when you want to take your car to the garage to have it serviced, etc., I'm going to run through that with you in a minute. We advise you do that once you're outside the garage, because in service mode, if you drive the vehicle over 30 miles an hour and stay over 30 miles an hour for a few minutes, when you turn the vehicle off, it will turn off. So for example, if you've done it whilst you were at home and you've got a good drive to get to the garage, it's possible that by the time you get it to the garage and drop the keys off, it might be out of service mode. Okay, so what you do when you want to put it in service mode. So first of all, press the start button, your dash lights must be up, enter your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your engine management light flashes twice, like so. Then on the BMW X6, this particular model, you press this DTC button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see the engine management light flash 5 times. 3, 4, 5, and you also get this message up at the bottom as well: attention, protect system inactive. You can just say okay to that. Now this car's in service mode, so if I just start the car, it starts. Now if I just turn it off and wait a few seconds, and I'm going to attempt to start the car again with no push sequence, it will start because it's in service mode. So there we go, in service mode. Okay, now when you collect it back from the garage, what we want to do now is we want to take it out of service mode. So what you do is, it's very easy, just press the start button until you've got your dash lights up. Very important, your dash lights must be up. Enter your push sequence, 1 2 3 4. Your engine management light's going to flash twice, and just simply put your foot on the brake, start the car. The car's now out of service mode. Okay, so it's back in protection. So if I just show you, turn it off, wait a few seconds, press the start button, put my foot on the brake, try to start it with no push sequence, won't start, so it's out of service mode. Okay, so that's basically a quick tutorial on how the Ghost 2 system works on this BMW X6 2018. If you have any inquiries in relation to how the Ghost works, or you want some tech help, whether you've purchased it from us or from somewhere else, no problems, give us a call on the details below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.